Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an accordion. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my red pen to draw the accordion. First of all, you have to draw a straight line. Do the same thing in both sides. Now draw two tiny lines. And two curved lines. Let's join them. I'm making all the edges darker. And now I'm using my brown pen. Now I'm using my gray pen to mark some areas. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Again, using my red pen, I'm drawing few lines. All the corners are rounded. Let's draw a long line inside it. Below here, I'm marking the area with my black pen. Okay, now I'm using a black pen or marker to draw few lines. Now I'm using my pencil. Let's make a soft gray color using my pencil. Okay, now I'm using my red pen. I'm using my pencil again. And now I'm using brown pen. I'm drawing tiny circles with my brown pen. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. Let's do the coloring with the brown pen. Now I'm using my black pen. Here's my black marker. Now I'm using my gray pen. Wow! My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.